How to replace these two filters on a 2019 Ford F350. Replacing the cabin air filter on a 2019 Ford F350. Three clips, just pull it straight out. Take these two bolts out. 7mm socket or a 7mm wrench. Depress this so it drops down. Pull this one out. Pop this loose. Pull it straight out. You don't have to detach those if you don't want to. See that honeycomb filter, that honeycomb piece right here? This is the filter housing. Over here, there's a little latch. Pull it towards you. This thing pulls out. There's your filter. Take note of how it came out. The new filter should fit in the exact same way. Make sure it's nice and sealed. This piece goes back on. Clip on that side, right there. Perfect. Put the two screws back on. Push this back in place. Press that back in so it goes beyond the plastic. This one beyond the plastic. Put those three tabs inside there. This tab goes in there. This tab goes in there. Air cleaner replacement on a 2019 Ford F350. This may look dirty, but it's brand new and it's clean. Whew. It's got about maybe 30,000 miles.